Falcon Shocks 2.1 Monotube Shocks for the Jeep Gladiator have been optimized for on- and off-road driving. They increase stability, all while improving ride quality and comfort. Within every Falcon Shock is a digressive linear valve. This helps create the signature low-speed control of Falcon Shock's proprietary volume-optimized damping. Lift the vehicle off the ground. Support the front axle and remove the front shocks. Install the top end of the front Falcon Shocks with the offset sleeve pointing toward the inside of the vehicle. The offset sleeve provides frame clearance for the Falcon Shock's heavy-duty body. On the lower end, the eyelet is offset to supply spring perch clearance on vehicles with increased caster. Install the eyelet with the offset to the front of the vehicle. Support the rear axle and remove the rear shocks. Install the upper end of the rear shocks. There is not an offset sleeve, so just make sure the Falcon badge faces out. Make sure the Falcon logo on the roost guard faces forward and install the lower eyelet.